Hi guys, this is the behind the scenes of bedtime. Bedtime. Alright, let's get started. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hi classmates. It's bedtime now. It's night time and I am now going to sleep. Before we going to sleep, we must turn on the lamp. Now I will switch on the lamp. Okay, then switch on switch off the lights. I think you cannot see me. Good night. Alright, that's it for today, the behind the scenes. Bye bye.